Welcome everyone, my name is Jessica, the Simple DIYer. If you're already a subscriber to my channel, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notification, that way you're notified every time I upload a video. Also make sure you hit the video like button and leave me a comment below. As always, you can check the description box for a list of the items I used, and let's get started. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this high-end decor house shaped shelf, and it only costed $11 to make. I'm going to start off by taking these wood plaques from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to coat them in a layer of Mod Podge. Taking some tissue paper, I'm just going to spread that over the top of the wood plaque. It gives it a little bit of texture and also helps the paint to adhere a little better. And I'm going to repeat that step on both sides of the wood plaque. And these wood plaques are 6 by 8 inches. Once that's fully dry, I'm going to take some sandpaper and just go over the edges. And I found this is the best way to take the tissue paper off. And this is what it will look like once you have the excess tissue paper removed. As you can see, it gives a little bit of texture. I'm actually going to be using 9 of these for this project. Next, I'm going to take the apple barrel paint in the color Territorial Beige, and I'm going to paint all 9 pieces. But of course, you can use any paint colors that you would like to fit your decor. Next, I'm going to take 2 of those wood pieces and cut out a piece of foam board that is 6 inches in width and 16 inches in length. Once I have the piece of foam board cut out, I'm going to take some masking tape and I'm going to wrap the edges. That way it gives it a more smoother finish, and I'm also going to wrap the entire board. This actually helps the strength of the board. It makes it a lot stronger. Once I have the foam board fully covered, I'm going to take the Territorial Beige and paint that as well. Next, I'm going to take the apple barrel paint in the color White, and I'm just going to dry brush all of the pieces that we just painted. Again, this step is optional. You can do any paint color combination that you like. Once all the pieces are painted and dried, we're going to start assembling the house. I'm going to start off by taking one of the 6 by 8 pieces and gluing that to the foam board, which the foam board we're going to use as the bottom. And you'll just go ahead and glue it as you can see me doing here. Now, I did use hot glue for this for video purposes, but I do recommend an E6000 glue and hot glue combination for a more permanent hold. Next, I'm going to take 2 more of the 6 by 8 pieces and I'm going to glue one to the top and one to the side to form a square. Once the first square is complete, I'm going to repeat those same steps on the other side of the foam board. Once you have the 2 bottom squares completed, I'm going to take 2 more of the boards and glue 2 sides on, but on the top I'm not going to complete the square. I'm actually going to take 2 more of the boards, and for the top I'm actually going to glue them in a V shape to make the top of the house, as you can see me doing here. Once all the pieces are glued, I'm going to take a sheet of foam board and place on the bottom of the house, and I'm just going to go ahead and trace that out to complete the shape. Once that's fully traced out, I'm just going to go ahead and cut that down. Once you have it cut, I'm going to take the masking tape and go just around the edges of the back, and I'm going to paint it in the same paint color as well. Once that paint's dry, you'll just place that on the back of the house. And again, I'm going to go ahead and use hot glue for this, but you can use the E6000 hot glue combination. Also, the back, if you decide you don't want to, you don't have to use that. You can just use this shelf as an open shelf. Today's video question is, what is your go-to paint color? What is the color that you like to use the most? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. If you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to thank you so much for the support. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe now, as it really helps my channel out and helps me to grow. Also, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, as it helps my videos be seen and me be able to bring more videos to you. Now, taking the larger bamboo skewers, I'm going to cut those down into 3 6-inch pieces, 11 8-inch pieces, and 2 16-inch pieces. Taking the apple barrel paint in the color jet black, I'm just going to paint all of the pieces we just cut. I'm going to start off by taking one of the 16-inch pieces and gluing that to the middle of the house. Then next, I'm going to take the second 16-inch piece and glue that to the bottom. Taking the 8-inch pieces, you're going to glue one piece to each of the 8-inch boards to frame out the house. Next, taking two of the 8-inch pieces, you're going to glue one piece to each of the corner of the house that we left open. And then once you have those two glued down and fully dry, you're going to take 4 more pieces and glue on the top. You'll use 2 of the 6-inch pieces and 2 of the 8-inch pieces to complete the top portion. And here's what the completed project will look like, and you can decorate your shelf with any of your favorite decor. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope everyone enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. As always, you can leave me a comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Till next time, hope everyone has a great day.